Here is a quick Khan Academy tip to help you to check your progress on Khan Academy to make sure that you really demonstrate to your teacher that you understand the concepts that you've been learning. So to check your progress, go into any one of your assignments, go to the lesson or to the homework page, click on any one of the links and it will take you to Khan Academy and you will be in your course. So first of all, let's talk about the different courses. So right here in the upper left-hand corner is the navigation menu. I'm going to go to math all the way to the outermost level. And in math, there are two geometries. There's geometry, basic geometry, and most of geometry A is in basic geometry. And then there is high school geometry, and all of geometry B is in high school geometry. So first you want to go to whichever one you're in, and it'll probably take you to that one. So let's say we're going to go into geometry B. And now here in geometry B are the subunits that we are covering. Right here you can see how you're doing on each unit. If this is mostly purple, life is good. If it's not, then you need to do some work on that. If you haven't got to that unit yet, don't worry about it. But if you've already done that unit and it's still not all the way purple, it'll take you to it. So click on that unit. And then what you want to look for is these purple towers. The more purple, the better. So this one is almost full, and that's good. I would accept that. It says right here, take the unit test to level up. It tells you exactly what you need to do. You can redo these practices, especially if there's a little red box down here. That means you're really struggling in that one. You've tried it, but it didn't go well. So redo it right here. These are the videos that go with these exercises. So you are welcome to work through those. Take the quizzes as many times as you want, and so on. So that's one way to check your progress. You can see in this subunit, I'm doing very well. So that's a good thing. This one is one that I would want to work on. So you can go back and look through the different units and see how you're doing, which ones you need to work on. So that's one way that you can check how you're progressing in Khan Academy. The other way is to go click on your name and click on Learner Home, or it might say Profile. And that brings you back here, and you can click on Progress. And you'll want to change your course. In this case, I'm going to change it to High School Geometry. If I were in Geometry A, I don't think you can choose, oh, there is Basic Geometry. You could choose Basic Geometry. So in Geometry B, choose High School Geometry. Then you choose how long you want to look back. If you've only been working on it the last 30 days, you can do that. If you want to look at all time, or you can put in a custom range. So let's do the last 30 days. So here are the exercises I've worked on in the last 30 days. And each of these is one of those units that you've been working on. Now, just so you know, in Geometry B, transformations, this unit right here is actually covered in Geometry A. So if you get to Geometry B and you feel like, oh no, I didn't take A and I'm not filling that out, that's okay. I'm not going to look at this transformations. So those are the different things. Now in this one, blue is good. The blue it is, if it's blue, that's good. Any shade of blue really is good. White means you need to do it, or red means you've done it and you're really struggling. So that is how you can check your progress and see which exercises you need to work on.